everyone, in this video we're comparing Typeset and Gamma AI, two powerful tools that make content creation smarter and faster. Let's get started. Typeset is a powerful AI-driven design platform for ebooks, reports, social media content and more, right from. On the flip side, Gamma AI is tailored for instantly building presentation decks using AI. Typeset offers auto-design for ebooks, slides, banners and thumbnails, full brand consistency, collaboration tools, and searchable project folders. Gamma AI brings one-click presentation creation from text or uploads, built-in present modes, spotlight feature, and export options, PDF, PPT, Google Slides, real-time design tweaks, smart suggestions, and sharing analytics. If you're creating ebooks, marketing content, or multimedia documents, Typeset delivers fast and consistent layouts with minimal effort. But if your goal is to build visual presentations, pitch decks, or educational slides, Gamma AI equips you with templates, interactivity, and smooth presentation modes. And that's the Typeset versus Gamma AI breakdown. Choose Typeset for content-rich design, or Gamma for dynamic presentations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.